Rhode Island's Hueston is your first American Song Contest semi-finalist. He spoke with reporters after the premiere about his solo music journey and what's next. American Song Contest debuted on March 21 and only one of the 11 artists moved on to the semi-finals. Hueston, who hails from Rhode Island, stole the show with his incredible performance of Held On Too Long. Hueston spoke to reporters, including HollywoodLife, about his original song and what's next. Hueston noted that a breakup and certain things inspired the song. However, he added, "But honestly, I am one of those artists who really like the songs to speak for itself. I feel like as an artist, if we get into what the song means, then it almost loses its specialness in a sense." Hueston started out as a member of the blonde cast before going solo. "This is a very new thing, so I think this is pretty cool that everybody can grow with me in my career," he continues. "This is like my 5th song that is out there as a solo artist, so it is exciting. I don't have too much out as Hueston, so go check it out. All my social media is at Hueston. Make sure you give me a follow me and grow with me. I have a lot in store, follow me. So for now, I am going to go home and appreciate what is happening." The singer that being a solo artist is both harder and easier for him. "It is harder because everything is on you, but also easier because you don't have to deal with different personalities," Hueston said. "Sometimes it is really hard when you are in a group or band, you love the other people or person in the group, but sometimes you grow apart from people. It is a tough thing to have to deal with that. It is also tough as a solo artist when everything is on you. If you mess up, it is all on you, but I am not afraid to mess up." While preparing for American Song Contest, Hueston was adamant about coming across as authentically as possible. "When we first started shooting that home package, I told them I am not a fake dude," Hueston said. "The bubblegum stuff is not me. I am not that guy. I tried to keep it as real as I could. And for me, the music I make is pain. It is love. It is pain. It is human emotion centered through my experiences. I think I sing the way I sing because I have had a lot of pain in my heart. I had to see stuff kids shouldn't have to see. Just see my mom go through stuff as a child, but also having that strength that my mom had and know that God has a plan, so to me, I feel that is what makes me authentic. I have learned throughout life that you can win, lose or draw, but when you are not being yourself, you have sold yourself short." American Song Contest airs Mondays on NBC.